Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eatz. Today we are going to be making Monterey Chicken. This is an easy 30-minute meal. For our ingredients we have barbecue sauce, we have bacon, and we're going to crumble it up into little pieces. We have some tomatoes, green onions, some shredded cheese, and we have some chicken breasts. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to season up our chicken breasts. I use some garlic and parsley. I'm trying to get away from the salt, so we're using seasonings that don't have any salt. Next, we're going to use some avocado oil. We're going to mix that in. We're just going to start coating our chicken breasts. And here I'm adding some garlic powder. And then we're going to add some Sazon. That's going to add a little bit of color to it. Here we're going to add some onion powder. We're going to get our seasonings all over our chicken breast. And then I'm going to go in with some Tony's Creole seasoning. No salt. Trying to stay away from the salt. So we're just going to mix that in. We're going to season up our chicken breast really well. We're just going to set that aside. And we're going to get our pan ready to sear our chicken. Let me tell you, this is a real quick and easy meal. It takes no time. You can even season it the night before and just take it out when you get home from work. It's just that easy. So here I put like 2 tablespoons of butter into my skillet, and I'm just going to melt my butter down. And here I'm just going to start adding my chicken breast one by one. We're going to sear these on both sides to your liking. I like a little char on mine chicken breast. I love that on a good chicken breast. So we're going to do the same on both sides. Look at them babies cook up. So now we're going to flip it over. See that little char? Bring y'all in closer so y'all can see that beautiful chicken, baby. Nice and juicy. You don't have to use butter. You could use olive oil, whatever you have on hand. But I love cooking in some butter. So now that our chicken breast is good and cooked, we're going to start adding our barbecue sauce. You can use any type of barbecue sauce that you have on hand or that you like. This is just some barbecue sauce that I had. So we're going to start spreading our barbecue sauce over our chicken breast. And you can leave it in the pan to sear just a little bit. My chicken breast is now all the way done. So once we are finished adding our barbecue sauce onto our chicken breast, so I'm just adding my cheese, and I'm going to add my cheese onto the top of my barbecue sauce. Once we have finished adding our cheese, we're going to move on to adding our bacon. Baby, let me tell you, bacon on top of some chicken and cheese with some barbecue sauce, this is so delicious. You cannot go wrong. Look at that chicken. That chicken is starting to come together, baby. It's looking so delicious. It smells delicious. All right, now that our cheese has melted on the top of our chicken, and here I'm going to add some tomatoes. Just a little addition to the top of our chicken. I felt like adding some tomatoes, and then we're going to go in with our green onions. Let me tell you, this is a quick, easy dish. Anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes, depending on how you prepared your day. It could go 15 minutes or it could go 30 minutes. On top of some rice or some mashed potatoes, some buttered mashed potatoes. Ooh, wee. Let me tell you, nice buttered corn. So, look at that Monterey chicken. It was so delicious. Let me tell you, it's a different taste with some barbecue sauce. If you like barbecue chicken with some cheese, baby, this is the dish for you. So today we made some Monterey chicken. Let me tell you, it was delicious, baby. We tore that chicken up. So if you like this video and you want to see more like this, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching Baby We Eatz.